Good afternoon. It is 28th of April today. That is another pear tree in my garden, a magic pear, number 6. Originally, when I bought it, it had two varieties, but one of them I was not happy with. So I cut the top of it and grafted it with the two varieties. One of them is this one, that's Bon Louise, and that's its grafting giant. The other one, that is a Doyon du Comis, that variety. Those are the flowers, so it will be producing some fruit this year for the first time. These shoots from the same trunk. I have grafted with the different varieties. That's a grafting giant. That is Pyrus communis butera. And if we look at the other branch, that is grafted with the Kondo variety, and that is its grafting giant. It has another shoot as well, which I made a video showing the safe cutting of saddle graft. I don't remember the name of the variety, but that is its grafting giant. That's another variety. So these are 5 varieties grafted onto this trunk. On the second trunk, that is a Saphira variety grafted last year in around September, and that is another variety which was grafted at the same time, and they both have grown. On this branch, it is a Red Williams, which was grafted right at the end of the branch, and then I realized that whenever there will be fruit at the end of that branch, it will bring it closer to the ground or it could break off. So I added this graft in September last year, which has grown. So I will reduce the size at the top and let this one grow. Those are the flowers at Red Williams. On its main trunk, I have also just grafted that Kondo variety on 9th of April, and looks like its shoots are coming out. That is a Concord variety grafted. It has been grafted just few days back, week 10 days. I'm not very hopeful about that grafting, and if you look at that place where it is branching out few years back, it was full of fruit. The fruit was very nice, early ripening variety, loaded with fruit, and with the weight of the fruit, its main trunk snapped. So now I had to cut it from there, and now it has gone into different branches. It is just the main trunk and those branches which needs to be spread on the sides so that they don't grow too tall, and that way the fruit will be out of reach as well. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to all my videos. Thank you.